In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Sprout Social listening tool. Sprout Social's listening goes well beyond basic mentions. It helps you keep tabs on conversations around your brand, key topics, competitors, campaigns, and broader industry trends. You'll also be able to analyze sentiment, spot patterns, and turn what you find into practical, data-backed decisions. Start by navigating to Listening in the left sidebar. This is your home base for building topics that define exactly what you want to track across the social web. Once you're there, you can either click New Topic to build from scratch, or choose a template designed for common use cases like brand health, competitor, or industry trend. Templates are a great shortcut because they include helpful starting points, while a new topic gives you full control if you know precisely what you're after. Give your topic a clear name and, if helpful, add a brief description. Use something memorable and specific, like a campaign name and date range or the business question you're trying to answer. A good description makes it easier for teammates to understand why the topic exists and how to use it. Next, select the networks you want to pull data from. Depending on availability, you can include X, public Facebook pages, Instagram hashtags, YouTube titles and descriptions, Reddit, Tumblr, and the broader web. Think about where your audience is most active and where relevant conversations naturally happen. Remember that each network has different data access rules, so the volume and type of content you see may vary. Choosing only the sources that matter will keep your results focused and manageable. Now add the keywords, mentions, or hashtags that capture the conversations you care about. This could be your brand or product names, campaign tags, competitor names, and common phrases your audience uses. Consider variations, abbreviations, and everyday language people use when they talk about your space. Precise inputs here make the difference between a noisy feed and a useful stream of insights. Refine your tracking with operators like and or, and apply optional exclude filters to remove noise. Use and to narrow the focus, like brand and refund to see service-related conversations. Use or to broaden coverage, such as competitor or product line. Exclude filters help you weed out irrelevant chatter. Think of removing a popular but unrelated term that overlaps with your brand name. A balanced mix